Tuesday, January 2nd was an exciting night for the community of Phoenixville. The installation ceremony of Phoenixville mayor and council members took place in a crowded Borough Hall. Mayor Peter Urscheler, along with council members, were sworn in as Judge Anthony Sarcione administered the oath of office.
And raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Peter Urscheler.
I, Beth Berkeley.
I, Jeremy Dalton.
I, Dana Dugan.
I, Richard Mark Kirkner.
Do solemnly swear
That I will support, obey, and defend
The Constitution of the United States.
And the Constitution of this Commonwealth.
That I will discharge the duties of my office
with fidelity.
Congratulations, Mayor.
Mayor Urscheler had some opening remarks before the start of the meeting.
To the citizens of Phoenixville, on behalf of your newly sworn-in officials, I want to thank you for the trust that you have bestowed upon us. Phoenixville owes its existence and vitality to generations of people from all geographies and walks of life who have contributed their hopes, dreams, and energy to shaping the history that brings us to this moment. Some were brought here against their will. Some left distant shores in search of a better life. And some have lived on this land for countless generations. What binds us together is the innate desire to live in peace and find meaning. As a people, we profess to a creed founded in the Declaration of Independence and clarified by a civil war, that every voice matters. Every person counts. No one is insignificant or subservient to another. As a people, we must live together serving the cause of human dignity, ensuring that every person is treated with respect and able to reach their full potential. To the Borough Council members and all who've served the Phoenixville community, I ask that you discharge your duties while always remembering that behind every page, every word, and every number is a person, a member of our community who relies upon us to act in their best interests. May you always remember that the offices we occupy do not belong to us. They belong to Phoenixville and to her people. We are merely stewards, called to serve. Hold this office with a light touch and guard these seats for future generations. Phoenixville's strength may no longer be measured in steel or in size, but it will always be measured in the spirit of our people. Thank you.
It looks like Phoenixville will be in great hands over the next few years. Congratulations to Mayor Urscheler and all the council members appointed. For Voxy Pop, I'm Ian Bowman.